Grok AI can now generate music videos fully synced, and you don't need to use any external website. Just take a look at these music videos.
Champagne popping, let the night ignite. Everybody vibing till the morning light. City lights shining, we they feel alright. Love drum knocking, make we dance all night.
I dance on your move, life this sweet, oh oh. Shake your body, feel the groove, let's go go.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Grok AI to create your own music video step by step. My name is Jen Francis. Let's get started. Alright, welcome to my phone. Now, before we start creating this, first of all, make sure you update your Grok app to the latest version. Go to Play Store and search for Grok AI and update the app to the latest version. Once you have done that, head on to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT on my phone. If you don't have it, go to Play Store and install one, or you can use your browser for it. Then once you click on ChatGPT, now this is where we are going to generate a music lyrics for our song. We're going to generate the beat and also the lyrics. So I have a prompt ready. I'm going to be dropping this prompt on my Telegram channel. Link to join my Telegram channel will be in the description box of this video. So I'll just paste in my prompt. I'll say write a 6 seconds Afrobeat music clip for a young female singer. Sweet melodic, soft, playful voice, lyrics about enjoying life, dancing and having fun. Catchy, danceable, feel good vibes, party energy, easy to loop. Now I'm going to hit on generate, but if you want to know how you can generate long music videos and how to use your own music with Grok AI to create a music video, by the end of this video I'll be dropping an information on that. So I'm just going to hit on send now. And now ChatGPT has generated the lyrics for us. Now I'll say generate an image for it as well. Now I said generate an image for it as well, 16:9 aspect ratio. Alright, so ChatGPT is generating an image for us, so let's just wait. And then this image is the image I'm going to be using to create the music video on Grok AI, after which I'm going to share with you for those that want to know how to create long music video using Grok AI, and also for those that want to use their own music plus Grok AI to create long music videos. Don't skip any part of this video so that you don't miss. Alright, our image is ready, so I'm just going to save this image. Now I'm just going to click on it, and at the top I'm going to click on save, and the image is going to be saved straight to my phone. So this image has been saved. Now this lyrics that we got from ChatGPT, I'll copy this lyrics now. I'll copy this, and then we head on to Grok AI. Like I said, make sure you update your app to the latest version. This is Grok AI, and then I'll click on Grok AI, and then I'll click here. I'll click here to add the image we just generated from ChatGPT. Alright, so the image is being uploaded. Let's wait. Now the image has been uploaded. I'll just click here that says make a video. So I'll click on make video, and here you can see custom. That's why I said update your app to the latest version. You can see custom, then click on custom, and then I'll paste in the lyrics that we got from ChatGPT, and then we hit on send. Now let's wait and see what we have here. Alright guys, our music video is ready. I had to mute it, so I'm just going to unmute it. After playing it, I'll also play it on a bigger screen. Now let's unmute this.
Sun don't shine, I feel alright. Wind my waist, we go dance all night. Sweet vibe, no wahala, just fun, play, laugh, party till morning come.
So you can see the music video. Just click here to download this. So let me download it and show you on a bigger screen.
Sun don't shine, I feel alright. Wind my waist, we go dance all night. Sweet vibe, no wahala, just fun, play, laugh, party till morning come.
Now, if you want a full tutorial on how to create long version Grok AI music video with consistent voice and beats, go to the comment section and type long version Grok AI music video. And if you want me to show you how to use your own song with Grok AI to create a music video, go to the comment section and comment use my song with Grok AI music video. The comment with the highest engagement will be the next video. Peace out.